Whoa. To do everything again. So hold up. Okay. Okay. So let's look at the weekly. We're gonna look at the weekly first because, granted, it's overall uptrend. We're gonna see the weekly now. We probably still can't find a pair, but what we will want to buy on a weekly is somewhere around here. Like I said, this can be a good buy point. This can be a good buy point, but I'm not gonna do it. It's just it's just not gonna do it. Now, so the weekly, it's not too much drop. So this is a nice buy off the weekly, like a nice little buy. This would have been a nice buy off the weekly. Let's look at the daily. So now the daily is making a little bit more sense now. As you can see, up, down, up, down. Trend is not the best, but I promise you I can find something in the 4 hour to get a better entry. So right now it is in bullish momentum. It is in bullish momentum. Like I said, overall this would be like a weekly buy, but it is in bullish momentum. So daily, you can see lower lows. It makes a low, comes here, makes a low. So if it could break here, and you probably can see structure a little bit better, break here, it breaks above here and goes with strong bullish momentum, we would like to start buying. But now let's go. So 4 hour, like I said, bearish, it breaks structure here, comes back up, break structure again right here. This was the lowest point, it breaks here. And this was the higher low. So boom. So anything from number 1 0 to 1, that's all bearish momentum. This is all bearish momentum. Keep that in mind. This is all bearish momentum. Um, like I said, I could explain this in any way, like how to start, but I really want to just talk about market structure. If you understand market structure, once you get in a market, you will understand anything. And I'm just trying to be totally honest right now. So 0 to 1, it is think of sales. Don't think of nothing else off the 4 hours. Because why? It's keep going down. It's not showing bullish momentum. The only time it will show bullish momentum is when it breaks above 0 and keeps going. So as long as it stays here, we're in sales. Don't even think about buying. Don't think about buying. Just let structure play out. If you don't sell, and I'm gonna tell you when to enter. If it can stay in these areas, it has to break above this to be a buy. So where will we sell at? That's a great question. So 4 hour sales. Um, this is a nice sell right here, and this is a nice sell. Why? Because it breaks lows, and this is a nice sell, and this is a nice sell. Where it goes from? Once it breaks here, it went here. So what we do? We would have sold right here. And what it does, it repeat. The market really repeats itself. It just have to be patient. So boom, it repeats itself. Say you want to sell here. Granted, you do sell here. Boom, it comes up. Boom, 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 boom. You'll probably be in stop loss in real all honesty. But as long as it doesn't break here and it comes back down, you just want to keep selling. You want to keep selling. This would be a guaranteed sell. This is just a early entry sale. Like this won't happen as much, but we're not going to talk about it. So we're going to talk about. I don't want to confuse people. This would be a sale right here. Anything below here, it will always come here about 90% of the time. As long as it doesn't break this purple line, it's a sell. 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 And that's what people don't realize. Stop thinking buy. Stop. Like this doesn't look like a buy. Once it breaks structure and people, like I said, you don't have to know a strategy. Just understand market structure. You know where the trend is going. Like some people would be like, oh, it start buying, start buying, start buying. Granted, maybe on a smaller time frame, not even on a smaller time frame, I would start buying. No, yeah, even on a smaller time frame, I won't even buy because it's not really telling you. It can still sell off because it's in a strong. Like all it is probably retracing. The only way this is telling me it's not retracing if it breaks above here and they just keep going. And then the only thing why it's like everyone understands this. It's just y'all not patient. Sometimes it does take a long time. You really don't understand where the market is at right now. You just don't understand, and that's just facts. That's how the rich trade. Like you don't understand where the market is at. The only thing you'll understand if it doesn't break in, it comes back down, which you will know it's a sell. If it breaks above here, it can be a buy, but we have to wait. That's it. The market is really just waiting. So as of right now, you would just have to wait for this number to break or wait till price come back down. And where can we get an early entry at from? Granted, we will have to start seeing sales. So it breaks above, boom, breaks above. You want to start seeing more type of sales. Comes here, breaks above, new highs, new highs, new highs. It starts selling off here. Boom. Sells off here, sells off here. Boom. Low key, it's still somewhat of a sell because this was the lowest point, but this is kind of the lowest point. What the market does is it will respect where price was at as high or low. What do I mean by that? People were like, if it breaks here, it's a bullish trend. No, it's not. The market isn't perfect. As long as it stays in its vicinity and it comes back down, it's still a sell. It is still a sell. But you will want to see bearish momentum. So you want to see bearish momentum. So anything lower than this, I would just start selling. I start selling. But I start selling. So if you can see some bearish momentum, just start selling. Sell, boom, it breaks higher highs, higher high, higher high. Once it start making, they made a new high. This is the low. So higher high, boom, comes up, breaks out. So you'll want it to break here to start selling again. You just want to break here. What's good, my boy? What's good, man? I know you was turning up for your birthday, my boy. So boom, 30. You just honestly wait for 30. I would honestly just wait for 30. Honestly, just wait. It can't sell off. My man been turning up. Man, yeah, man. I hope you turned up for your birthday, my boy. Man, I'm gonna turn up on these accounts, man. I'm about to. I just need one good setup, man. But yeah, turn up, my man. Like, all right, let's go to Nas. So 30, like I said, 30. Really, you just waiting. It's just a waiting game. Yeah, my boy said he went to the casino. But I kind of want to. You made me kind of want to go to the casino. I ain't been in so long. Last time I was playing blackjack, but I kind of want to play some different games. I want to play that roulette. Yeah, I'm gonna play that baccarat roulette. I'm gonna play some different games. All right, let's look at Nas. So Nas, let's look at Nas. Yeah, I'm gonna play them Jones. Why the fuck? Oh no. Yeah, don't delete my indicators because I just need the sessions, Jones. Oh yeah, shit. That nigga was turning, man. I'm glad you turned up. I don't be doing shit. I need to go to the casino, man. This nigga made me want to go. So all it is patience with this market. As you can see, it's bearish, but it's not really making new lows. Like it. Granted, it broke structure, but broke structure here, but it's not really making new lows. Granted, it can come back here, and if it does come back here, it will even go farther. I just, whew, if I can get a sale, that'd be great though. That'd be super great. Talk tomorrow. What time? Let me see. News probably go crazy tomorrow. I don't know what time though. It's not showing me. But daily. Right now, this is still somewhat of a sell. This is still somewhat of a sell. Like I said, I was gonna sell again. You get all of this. Okay, so 4 hour. This is daily. So for the 4 hour, you low-key want to sell right here, but you don't want price to break this. Oh yeah. I'm about to follow that jump. Yeah, bro, I haven't been trading Nas or 30. It's just I don't really want to trade that shit right now. Cause I feel like one day the shit just gonna start going up magically. That's why I don't want to trade this shit. Like, granted, it's selling, but if Nas could sell, to like right here, that would be lovely. If Nas could sell to at least right here, I'll just pass. I feel like 30. If Nas play around here in this area for about 5 days, it's gonna sell hard. It's gonna sell hard. Cause it would, like, if it wanted to buy, I have to understand the market. If it wanted to buy, it'll just break up. Like, it'll just break up. But if it stays here for like 5, like till Friday, it's gonna sell hard. It's gonna sell because it don't do like, because say even if this was a fake out, if it was a fake out, it'll just fake out, go up, and just keep going up. But if it stays around here this for 5 days, I'm selling hard. I'm selling hard. Like, if it stays in this area for 5 days, I'm like to the end of Friday. If it doesn't go up, but if it just stay in this area, which I think it might do, I'm gonna just sell hard as hell. I like this sell better than 30 though. 30, because 30 already had his decline. 30 already had his decline. And I think 30 might come back up if it breaks above here. Yeah. I just wanted to sell hard. I just hope it just stay in this shit for 3 days. Because I'm not really trading Nas. 30 already did his shit. I'd rather just trade Nas. 30, I get about 2 entries in this bitch. I can get one right here. I get one right here. This one right here just gonna play around with me because I'm gonna just be in this, and it's just gonna just fluctuate, or it might just drop. I don't know. I like this though. I like this. Yeah, I like this. This is still a sell. This is still a nice sell. Go to the hour. Even the hour. All right, so the hour is showing bullish momentum, but bullish. What you could do is let it break right here. I'm still in gold too. I've been in gold for I've been in gold since last week. I only won 1K. I want to get. I'm gonna look at gold after this. So let's look at 15 minutes. 15. New structure. This is the high. We will want it to break here, come back, come down. So really, if it could just come but lower than this. Yeah, if it could come lower than this, it's a sell. It's gonna take down. It's a lot of entries I can enter about 3 of Nas. Gold. All right, let's check out gold. So this is what I got for Nas. So Nas, as long as it doesn't break this purple line, I got sales. Even off daily, mm, even off daily, it can still be sales. It won't be the best sell. Like I just wanted it to really respect the 4 hour. So like I said, US 30, it still sells. It's just not a good sale right now. All right, I love Nas. So gold. So gold, I've been in gold for about 4 days. I took profit when it started going down because the 4 hour right here, if it didn't break here, I just knew to exit. And basically that's what I did. So if it didn't break, it had to break here hard. Boom. It broke. Once it came back down, I said, okay, let's get out. Let's get out. Let's get out. So boom. But it's still kind of showing bullish momentum. Not really. It's still selling. It can keep going down, but overall, I got it going up. Like daily wise, I got it going up because this right here, it's just bound to go up. Like I said, even if it breaks above here, it can come back down here. But overall, like I'm not trying to joke. If it comes back down here and doesn't hit stop loss, I will re-enter again off this bitch. I just re-enter. I just enter again. But look, yeah. If it could just break here, it's gonna fly. It's gonna like if it comes to pass here, it's just gonna fly because it's like okay, yeah, I got it. Yeah, gold. I think gold is going up. I think right now it's just in his phase, like it can just move anywhere right now. But overall, gold is going up. Like daily showed me it went up. That's all I care about. The daily showed me it's going up. Like look, the daily showed me it went up. So I don't give a fuck where it goes. Like it could go back in negative. It showed me it went up. It's going up. Like even if it touch, like it gotta break here hard, but daily showed me it went up. So I'ma just keep entering. GJ, yeah, I'm gonna look at GJ. I'm gonna look at GJ. Kind of quiet right now. I ain't really fucking with GJ, but gold was my main priority. Now let me see. Let's look at the 4 hour. Really, let's delete everything. Let's just delete everything. Fuck it. I just redraw. I'm gonna look at I'm gonna look at GJ after this. See how it didn't break here? Fake out. It's gonna complete this whole shit. It's just going to. Maybe like I said, gold might be on some play around shit and just play around here for 20 days, but it's eventually gonna come back up here. And how the world is running right now, gold might just sit there. So 4 hour right now, it's still kind of bearish on 4 hour because what sells comes up, didn't break here. It kind of will sell below here, tap here, it might just come back up. That I'm hoping price doesn't go below here. I don't want price to come below here because it might just sell off. Um, let's see the hour. So the hour looks clean. I like the hour. The hour you can let's see. Loki, I could have bought right here off the hour. This should have been a nice buy. Ooh, this would have been a nice buy. Buy right here. Yeah. This would have been a nice buy. We're not even gonna think of. Let's delete this. We're gonna look at that GJ though. 4 hour buy, 1 hour buy, daily buy. This is I don't want it going below here though. I don't. This would be a nice. This would have been a nice buy. Who would I would have bought? Like Thursday? Yeah. Oh yeah. I would have bought to here. Really, maybe break even here, but I would have bought to here. As long as it doesn't break this, and if I think it breaks there, it's gonna drop. I like gold. You don't want to. Let's let it go. Come back here. Maybe if it comes back here and it doesn't break this, oh my god, I'm putting in a good lot size for this. This is a nice. This would be a nice good lot size because you could. This would be a nice lot size because this would be like a. Yeah, this a nice like. It's like a nice 2.0, 2R. It's something I into. Okay. GJ, I really don't got shit for GJ. GJ, it just you really just have to wait. I ain't even gonna lie to you. GJ is in a in an area where it's kind of it doesn't really know where it wants to go. Like, cause what it just made bearish momentum. Yeah, it's iffy. I'm not like I really can't trade GJ. I don't. I really wouldn't know what to do with GJ. In all honesty, I really wouldn't know. Cause granted, it did sell. I don't know. I wouldn't know what to do with GJ. Let's just. I can mark it up again. GJ, one of those. I might have to wait like a week. Let's see. Low key. Okay, this is a sell, but it's not breaking here. Like you know how you say this would have been my sell point, but right here, but it's not really breaking. Shit, the shit is really not breaking off daily wise. But I don't really like the daily because the stop loss would be too damn big. So we'll go to 4 hour. In a 4 hour sell, 4 hours kind of still sells too. 4 hours to sell. That's why I kept saying it might can still be sell. I just know off the hour it was buy. So like okay, like sold off here. Boom, boom, boom. Once it did this, I knew it was buys instantly. That's when I started buying. I knew it was buy instantly off this because GJ moves in a trendy way. So once it did this, boom, you could have bought. You could have bought. This is all retracement though, low key. Um, let's see. Comes up. I just don't. I just don't know where to sell. It's like I don't know where to buy or sell. Anything I would sell, it might be under here. I just I just don't really like to sell like that, bro. Wait, let me see. Let's go to 15 now. Boom. Up, up. It starts selling here, sell here. Boom. You start buying, start buying, start buying, start buying. Never breaks. Start selling again. Selling. Boom. Comes down. You probably sell. You probably lose. Boom. You lose. Comes up. Yeah, I would have lost this shit right here. Because I would have sold. I would have sold this. Boom. Came up, sell. Boom, 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 boom. Probably would have sold. Comes off. Boom, 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 boom. Now it's sell off time. Boom, sell off time. Boom, boom. Yeah, I just want to fuck with GJ. It's just it's nasty market structure right now. It's super nasty. I'm just not gonna fuck with it. In all honesty, I'm not even about to touch it. Sometimes the market just telling you, just leave it alone. GJ just one of those right now. I'm not even gonna touch it. And then so Nas, I got the best sell. I don't really got too much. Gold maybe you can buy around here. I still been looking at this pair. I did pretty okay with this pair, low key. Um, did pretty okay. I always liked this pair back when I was, when I first started trading because it is somewhat trendy. But like I said, I'm just looking over this pair. I'm not doing too much with it, and that's all I really got. I be wanting to look at different pairs. I should just start analyzing different pairs, but that's all I got. Gold. Um, gold. Let's see. Let's see. All you still going crazy. I really don't know what to trade. Gold. Everything else, I'm just waiting. I don't really want to trade anything else. Yeah, I really just don't want to trade anything else. But like, I understand market structure. It's just super easy. It's just really a patient thing. In all honesty, I swear to God, it's just patience. Like everyone knows. I really believe everyone knows how to trade. It's just the fact we kind of want to enter so much. Like it could be sometimes it could be like 2 weeks you might not enter, but it's the fact if you know it's not the best conditions. Like GJ, in all honesty, I probably couldn't trade this shit for 2 weeks. It just don't look good. It just don't. Gold, gold looks like a nice buy. I would have bought here and just hold it, and that's what I'm doing. I'll probably be holding for about a month. Yeah, I can't wait to fucking. I just want to pass this challenge, man, because it's like passing the challenge. I ain't gonna lie. In all serious, you rather just gamble on this challenge because it's like, and when I trade the right way, I had this challenge in January. It's like 10% is a lot though. Like think about it. 10% was 10,000. Even if I made 10,000 from January to March, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. I made January 10,000 to March. I'd have well, that's 10,000 in what 3 months. I'd have been like, yeah. They take what 20%. I would have got 8,000 in that 3 months. I'm cool with that. Uh, and then I gotta make another 5%, and I'm just waiting. That's why I said these prop firms is like you rather well just try to what I do next time. Once I do pass this, I'm gonna pass this the right way, low key, and I'm not even trying to be funny. I might just like high risk it. Like, granted, you might just keep losing your prop firm, no honesty. But once you pass it, just don't high risk it no more. Just trade like how I'm normally trading. That's how I'm trading these prop firms to pass. And granted, I'm going to pass because how I trade is profitable. But it's like I will have to wait 2 weeks just to figure out like, hey, this is not a good setup. But if I just trade like or some high risk shit, I'm just be like, I just gotta pass quick. And then once I pass the quick, hey, maybe I just need to pass a prop firm or make money. That's why I kind of want to high risk it. But I'm not gonna high risk it because I've been trading this joint for 3 months. If I do high risk it, I'd rather just buy another account. But I ain't gonna talk crazy. I'm gonna trade this the proper way. Show you how the proper way. Granted, it might take long. Patience pays. I keep saying that. Patience pays. I've been in this joint for 3 months, and then I'm gonna just go crazy. So if I do get the urge to like just high risk it, I might just buy something else. But yeah, gold is probably the next step, and Nas. That's it. But yeah, and that might even take days. So that's all I got for today, man. A little 30-minute live. Um, crypto just been. I feel like crypto is gonna do something. If it goes down again, that's cool. I didn't even look at crypto in so long. Yeah, I think crypto's gonna go down one more time. Cause crypto, like, look, crypto hasn't broke above here. I think it's gonna go down, and that's okay. Top. Okay. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Yeah, we out here.